English empowerment, unlocking your potential. Introduction. In a world that is increasingly interconnected, the ability to communicate effectively in English has become more than just a valuable skill, it's a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. English Empowerment, Unlocking Your Potential is a podcast that explores the myriad benefits of learning English, from expanding career opportunities to fostering cultural understanding and enhancing cognitive abilities. In this episode, we delve into how mastering the English language can truly unlock your potential and open doors to a world of possibilities. Body. Expanding career opportunities. One of the most compelling reasons to learn English is its role as a global lingua franca. Proficiency in English opens up a vast array of career opportunities, both domestically and internationally. Many multinational companies require employees to have at least a basic understanding of English, and in some industries, fluency is a prerequisite for advancement. By mastering English, you can enhance your employability and access a broader range of job prospects. Fostering cultural understanding. Language is not just a means of communication, it's also a gateway to understanding different cultures. Learning English can help you connect with people from diverse backgrounds and gain insights into their way of life. It fosters empathy and cultural sensitivity, which are invaluable skills in today's globalized world. By learning English, you can break down barriers and build bridges with people from around the world. Enhancing cognitive abilities. Research has shown that learning a second language can have a positive impact on cognitive abilities. It can improve memory, enhance problem-solving skills, and even delay the onset of cognitive decline in old age. By challenging your brain to learn and use English, you can keep your mind sharp and agile, leading to better overall cognitive health. Opening doors to education. English is often the language of instruction in many prestigious universities and academic institutions around the world. By learning English, you can access a wealth of educational resources and opportunities that may not be available in your native language. Whether you're interested in pursuing higher education abroad or simply want to expand your knowledge base, English can be the key to unlocking new educational pathways. Facilitating travel and exploration. English is widely spoken in many countries, making it a valuable asset for travelers. Whether you're navigating a foreign city or interacting with locals, knowing English can make your travel experience more enjoyable and enriching. It can help you connect with people, navigate transportation systems, and explore new cultures with ease. In conclusion, learning English is much more than just acquiring a new skill. It's a transformative experience that can enrich every aspect of your life. From expanding your career opportunities to fostering cultural understanding and enhancing cognitive abilities, the benefits of mastering English are truly limitless. English Empowerment, Unlocking Your Potential is dedicated to exploring these benefits and inspiring listeners to embark on their own journey of English language learning. Join us as we explore the power of English and discover how it can unlock your potential in ways you never thought possible.